How to know who viewed your Instagram profile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check who viewed your Instagram profile. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From settings and activity, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option account type and tools. From the section, tap on switch to professional account. And from here, simply follow the procedure and prompt. Tap on next. Simply choose your category like creator or business. Tap on next. And from your set up your account like here you have to complete 7 steps. After that, you'll be able to complete your profile. After you completed your profile, you'll be able to access a professional dashboard. Simply tap on that. And from there, simply you can know new followers, new interaction, or you can as usual view the inside. And from the view section, you can simply know the views of people they are watching on your account. Simply from here, you can as usual check it. Also, you can see new followers and content you said. And that's it. This is the way to know who visit or viewed your profile. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.